All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be doing the number that's both one more and one less. So we're practicing everything that we've done this week. So the number is in the middle, and then your job is to write the number that is one more and one less. So if 30 is in the middle, one less than 30 would be what? 29, and one more would be 31. Okay, now we have 23 in the middle. So the number on each side of 23 is 22 and 24. Okay. So now we have 65. Before would be 64 and after would be 63. Okay. And then 77, 78, and 79. 42 is in the middle, so we'd have 41 on this side and 43 on this side. 59 is in the middle, so we have 58 and 60. Now I want you to push pause and try the rest of these on your own, then push play and check them with mine to see how good you did. Okay, now we're back, boys and girls. I want you to check your answers with mine, and if there's anything that needs to be fixed, just use your eraser and fix it. So in this one we have 96, 97, 98. 26, 27, 28, 33, 34, 35, 60, 61, 62, 29, 30, 31, 18, 19, and 20. And we have 81, 82, and 83. Last one, 47, 48, and 49. Good. So if you made any oopses, just go ahead and erase it and then fix it. Turn it over on the back. Today you're going to be doing -9. Now when we have -9, sometimes it's helpful to just count up instead of backwards to find the answer. So like on this one, like 13 minus 9. If you start on 9 and count up to 13, you'll know that there's only 4 hops. Sometimes it gets a little bit more confusing if you're going the other way. So you do whichever strategy works for you. Great job, boys and girls.